So, I don't know, who is the boss? Alright, there's gonna be a new rule. I'm the boss of this place. And Kitty K, I want this mess cleaned up. You got that? Fine, I'll clean it. You spill all my ice cream too. I hate you! Meanwhile, I am so bored. She's purring. Aw, so cute. Let me take you out. Yeah. There you go. My sister said I can bring a toy, so I brought my kitty. But she's not a toy. She's a real animal. Alright, so let's both go on numbers 6. Okay, do we both go at the same time? I think. No. I think we do both go on the same time. Okay, so here. Let's set the camera here.